Hey there, my fellow seekers of manifestation wisdom. Welcome back to our channel, or if you're new here, a big warm welcome to you. Today, we're diving deep into the transformative power of imagination, as per Neville Goddard's manifestation technique. Imagination, my friends, can truly be a game changer in our manifestation journey. However, many people stumble along the way because they fail to grasp the correct way to utilize the power of their imagination. They unknowingly direct their focus towards the external world instead of nurturing their inner self, which often becomes a hindrance on their path to manifesting their dreams. But worry not. In this illuminating video, we're going to shed light on the key practices that will help you leverage the imagination technique effectively and manifest your desires quickly and successfully. So whether you're a seasoned manifestation practitioner or just starting your manifestation journey, this video is for you. I urge you to stay tuned till the very end to truly comprehend and apply this concept thoroughly. And if you haven't already, I kindly invite you to hit that subscribe button and join our incredible community. By subscribing, you'll gain access to a treasure trove of insightful videos on manifestation techniques, mindset hacks, and practical tips to manifest the life you've always dreamt of. Now let's unlock the full potential of our imagination and manifest our dreams like never before. Buckle up, my friends, and let's embark on this enlightening manifestation adventure together. Have you ever wanted to manifest your desires and make them a reality? The power of imagination is the gateway to successful manifestation, something that Neville Goddard emphasized throughout his teachings. Too often, people focus on external factors when it comes to achieving their goals and desires. But if one wants true happiness and fulfillment from within, they must learn how to tap into their inner world in order to create what they want in the outer world. Neville Goddard emphasizes the importance of living in the end, or imagining oneself already having achieved their desired outcome as a way of manifesting true happiness and fulfillment from within. This means that instead of seeking these things through material possessions or achievements alone, one should cultivate positivity resulting in actions that better align with those goals being pursued. By doing this, we are able to manifest our intentions more easily since our minds are already aligned with the desired outcome rather than stuck on external forces like money or societal pressures, which can be obstacles towards success in any area of life. Mindfulness is also an effective tool for combating resistance and attachment, which are two common obstacles towards successful manifestation. By becoming aware of thoughts and emotions without judgment, one can become less reliant on the results they desire while still working hard towards them at the same time. According to Neville Goddard, detachment from the external world is crucial for successful manifestation because it allows us to shift our focus from the limitations and conditions of the physical reality. When we become overly attached to the external world, we tend to fixate on the current circumstances and limitations that surround us. This attachment creates a sense of lack and reinforces the belief that what we desire is somehow separate from us and unattainable. It creates resistance and prevents the natural flow of manifestation. By detaching ourselves from the external world, we can turn our attention inward and tap into the power of our imagination and inner self. This shift in focus allows us to align with our desires on a deeper level and connect with the infinite possibilities that exist within us. When we detach, we free ourselves from the limitations of time, space, and circumstances. It enables us to embody the feeling of already having our desires manifested, generating a sense of belief and expectation. This state of detachment and belief acts as a magnet, attracting our desires towards us effortlessly. In essence, detachment from the external world allows us to connect with the true power within us and align ourselves with the frequency of our desires. It empowers us to manifest our dreams with ease and grace. Detachment does not mean disinterest or indifference. It simply means recognizing that our external reality is a reflection of our internal state and that we have the power to shape it through our thoughts, beliefs, and imagination. Mindfulness helps us practice non-attachment, which allows us to stay more present with whatever arises, be it good or bad, knowing that all experiences come from within ourselves rather than external sources outside our control, such as luck or fate deciding our destiny for us. With this kind of awareness about how we think, feel, and act every day, we can better align ourselves with what truly matters, living life fully in each moment, instead of worrying about potential outcomes down some unknown path ahead. Manifesting our goals requires us to be mindful and detach ourselves from our expectations in order to remain flexible throughout the process. It is important that we remain aware of any negative thoughts or feelings that may arise in order to challenge them with more positive ones and stay focused on achieving our goals without becoming too attached. To effectively manifest our desires, it is important to adopt an approach that focuses on the process rather than just the outcome. This will help us reduce resistance while breaking down tasks into smaller pieces that are easier for us to manage. Cultivating a sense of detachment with our desires allows us to remain flexible in any unexpected results, whether successful or not, as well as enjoy the journey along the way. By practicing mindfulness and aligning our thoughts with what we want to manifest, we will have greater chances of success. Neville Goddard suggests a 3-step process for using imagination for manifestation purposes, including deciding what you want, saying what you want, and visualizing it through a story format. Doing this helps create an emotional connection between yourself and your desired outcomes, which can aid in successfully bringing them into fruition. The law of assumption is based on an understanding that what we assume to be true will eventually become true in our lives. To activate this law, Neville Goddard suggests that we must create vivid mental pictures of ourselves, achieving our desired outcome, and maintain these visualizations every day until they feel real. This means repeating positive affirmations such as "I am successful" or "I am abundant," and visualizing our desired future self every day until it feels real in order to attract positive experiences into our lives. Negative thoughts often come from fear, doubt, or limiting beliefs that have been internalized over time. Through mindfulness and self-awareness, we can choose to replace these negative thoughts with positive ones, allowing us to fully believe in ourselves and our ability to manifest what we desire. Acknowledge any negative thoughts or resistance that may arise while also staying focused on your goal. Releasing any negative energy while focusing on creating a new reality aligned with your desires will help you better reach success in all areas of life. Goddard believed that if we focus on our thoughts, feelings, desires, and intentions with a deep sense of conviction, we can create whatever we want in life. He also noted that manifestation works best when combined with the law of assumption, or believing, as if. This means believing something is already true before it has manifested, as if it has already happened in reality. It means having faith even when there is no evidence yet that what you desire will come true. Neville Goddard taught us how visualization can be used as a powerful tool for manifesting our desires by using all 5 senses. Sight, visualizing what you want. Sound, hearing what it would sound like. Smell, smelling associated scents. Touch, feeling a sense of relief or excitement. By incorporating these elements, while visualizing your desired outcome with confidence, success will soon follow. We hope this video has helped open your eyes to Neville Goddard's approach towards manifestation. If you would like to share your opinion or ask questions about what was discussed, please comment on this video below. Please also consider subscribing for more interesting videos related to manifestation. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. God bless.